Welcome to 2-Minute Analysis. Our goal is to not only entertain, but provide value and insights about the investments you care about. Today's episode is from this request. Now, this user asked for the Class C shares of Google, but today we are going to go into Class A. So let's throw 2 minutes on the clock and dive in. Today, we are looking at Alphabet Incorporated, ticker symbol GOOGL. Kicking things off here with the Quant rating system, it currently is a hold rating on the stock, and we'll dive into some metrics here in just a moment. Seeking Alpha analysts in aggregate are a buy on the stock, and that's 32 analysts providing coverage in the last 30 days. Lastly, Wall Street is a strong buy on the stock with 65 analysts providing coverage in the last 90 days. To learn more about how the Seeking Alpha Quant System and Seeking Alpha analysts outperform the market, visit the link in the description of this video. So let's dive deeper. This is a $3.74 trillion market capitalization company found within the communication services sector and the interactive media and services industry. Diving in first to the valuation grade, which is currently an F, the enterprise value to sales for the trailing 12 months is 9.56 compared to the sector at 1.94. Then looking at price to cash flow forward, 23.65 compared to the sector at 7.53%. Enterprise value to EBITDA, looking at 20.84 compared to the sector at 8.30. And lastly, PEG non-GAAP forward of 1.87 compared to the sector at 1.29. Stocks is showing some overvaluation, but looks like investors are willing to pay up for growth. Jumping into the growth grade, that is currently a B. Revenue growth year over year of 13.42% compared to the sector at 3.10%. And EPS diluted growth year over year of 34.51% compared to the sector at 18.64%. Profitability grade is currently an A+, net income margin of 32.23% compared to the sector at 3.84%. Looks extremely healthy there. Jumping in the momentum grade, it is A+, 1-year price performance of 61.12%. Lastly, revisions is currently an A grade with 51 up revisions and 1 down revision for earnings per share over the last 3 months. And diving into the revenue numbers, 52 up revisions with 0 down revisions in the last 3 months. Now, Alphabet does pay a small yield of 27 basis points, which is started in June of 2024. And here's those dividend grades for you. Dividend safety is currently an A+, dividend growth is an A+, dividend yield is an F, and dividend consistency is an F. Obviously, we'll need to see more track record for the dividend here, but however, the yield is really underperforming for the sector when it comes to Alphabet. So that's it for this episode. Go ahead and follow the stock on Seeking Alpha to get free breaking news alerts about Alphabet Incorporated. The link for that is found beneath this video. And if you have a ticker you want us to cover, add it to the comment section below. And don't forget to follow Seeking Alpha so you get notified when the next 2-minute analysis gets published.
Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Content provided for informational purposes only. Seeking Alpha does not offer any personalized investment advice and is not a licensed securities dealer, broker, U.S. investment advisor, or investment bank.